Now in this video we will discuss about the string functions. As we have discussed about the conversation functions, user defined functions and built-in functions and mathematical functions in the previous video. So here the similar kind of functions we can use it for the string also. If you want to perform some of the operations on the string characters, so those actions and those operations you can perform through the string functions. Now in the string function, the first function is the to lowercase. As I said that the string functions are also very important in the JavaScript. In general terms, strings refers to the series of character enclosed under the double quotes. Like math, even strings are treated as object which supports the numerous methods. In string functions, we have the first function in the JavaScript is to lowercase. यहाँ पे आपको L और C कैपिटल में लिखना है, जैसे यहाँ पे इस वीडियो में मेंशन किया गया है उसी प्रकार का सिंटैक्स आपको फॉलो करना पड़ेगा. It takes a string of all the uppercase character and converts them into their equivalent lowercase string. यानी इस फंक्शन के द्वारा अगर से आपका स्ट्रिंग कैपिटल होता है या कोई एक आधा कैरेक्टर कैपिटल होता है बाकी स्मॉल होते हैं तो भी क्या करेगा, ये फंक्शन सभी कैरेक्टर को लोअर केस में तब्दील करेगा. जैसे एग्जाम्पल में बताया गया है VAR, जैसे आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं VAR is the keyword and the name is the variable equals to opening double quotation Vaishnavi closing double quotation semicolon. Now the Vaishnavi is the string of character which is assigned to the name variable. Now name is the variable, okay, which holds the string value. Now in the next statement, document dot write, object is the document and dot write is the method and name. Now again the name is the variable, okay. Name is the variable which acts like a object of string, and name dot to lowercase. So whatever the value is available in the name, that name string is converted into lowercase. Similarly to uppercase, again it takes a string of all lowercase and converts them into uppercase, okay. And the third is concat. So it is a concatenation function. It combines the two strings together. As stated in the example, we have Vaishnavi in the name variable and in the function name dot concat opening parenthesis double quote Biradar closing double quote closing parenthesis. Now what I am doing right now, in the name I have Vaishnavi and concat function I am using means I am adding Biradar also. Now when I display the name, I can display both Vaishnavi and Biradar. Okay, let us have the example of these functions. So I will use this file. I have already document.write. Okay, so here I will mention, first I will go through the var keyword var name is the variable equals to Vaishnavi is the string of character which is stored into the name variable. Now in the write method I am using name as a string object to perform the string operations. Name dot to lower case. Now just I am saving this file. I am opening Internet Explorer and just I am refreshing it. Now you can see all the character in a small letter, okay. Even though in my program I have mentioned V as a capital letter, even though if I write Vaishnavi in capital letter, I will going to save this, I will refresh this, even though I am getting a small letters. Okay, now what I do in this program, I will write it Vaishnavi in small letter, V will be capital, rest is small. Vaishnavi, and I will make to uppercase. And just I will save this file. Now you can see the result. I just refresh this, I will be getting uppercase letters. Okay, this is the example of the second to the uppercase function. Similarly, I will show concat also. And in double quote I am using Biradar. I will save this file and I will just refresh it. Concat. I guess small letters, all are small letters. Concat. Save it. Okay, now I am getting Vaishnavi Biradar. You can see Vaishnavi Biradar. Okay, so this is how we can use these string functions. Okay, similarly character at. So character at means it returns a character whose index value is supplied as an argument. Now in the example we are supplying 4 as a index value in the fourth location. Okay, so in the Vaishnavi character or in a Vaishnavi string, which is the fourth character, that is S will be displayed as a result. In character code at means it will return a Unicode equivalent character whose index value is supplied. We are supplying 5 as an index value. So when I supply 5 as an index value, it will return a unique code. It doesn't return which character is on that fifth index value. It returns a Unicode of H. Okay. From character code, it takes a list of Unicode values as parameter and returns the equivalent character. For example, say string dot from char code 97. So 97 means small a is the result. Okay. Similarly, substr. Okay. Subtract string. The index argument specifies the initial character and the length of argument specified the length of character to be displayed. So here we use the two arguments for this function. One is the index, second is the length. As per our example, it is kind of subtraction of a string 2 comma 2. Okay, the first is the index is a 2 means a, and length is 2, so the result will be ai will be the result. Okay, similarly after subtracting the string, next is substring. That is, it again it takes the index and the end value respectively. Here the index argument specifies the initial character. Initial character means the first character, and the end specifies the last character. That is the fourth character from the index value. So if the index value 1 means V end value is 4. So 4 means S. So it will display VAIS. Like another function is the slice function. Again, it takes the index and end respectively. Here index is the argument specifies the initial character and end specifies the last character to be displayed. So slice means आप पूरे वैष्णवी में से कितने कैरेक्टर का स्लाइस निकालना चाहते हैं. अभी मुझे अगर से एस एच बोल के निकालना है. एस एच के लिए मैं लिखूंगा 4,2. अगर से मैं 4,2 लिखूंगा तो वो स्लाइस निकल जाएगा. एंड फॉर स्प्लिट, ए से मुझे स्प्लिट करना है तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, यहाँ पे सोर्स स्पेसिफाई करना पड़ेगा. वहाँ से क्या होगा, सबस्ट्रिंग अलग हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट इज द इंडेक्स ऑफ. इंडेक्स ऑफ यानी कि इंडेक्स वैल्यू को फाइंड आउट करना है. ए का इंडेक्स वैल्यू कितना है बोल के, तो उसके लिए मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, इंडेक्स ऑफ में ए स्पेसिफाई करेंगे तो इंडेक्स वैल्यू रिटर्न करेगा. लास्ट इंडेक्स ऑफ. लास्ट इंडेक्स ऑफ यानी कि जैसे वैष्णवी में 2 ए वैल्यूज़ है तो लास्ट इंडेक्स क्या करेगा, अभी रिटर्न न्यूमरिक वैल्यू which is nothing but the position of the character in the given string. The difference between the last index of and index of is that the prior start searching string from the end of a string. यानी कि इसका मतलब ये होता है कि मेरा जो इंडेक्स ऑफ है, इंडेक्स ऑफ में क्या हो जाएगा, पहला ए को एक्सेप्ट करेगा तो वहीं पे लास्ट इंडेक्स ऑफ क्या होगा, लास्ट से इंडेक्स वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना शुरू करेगा. सो वीडियो को देखने के लिए आप सभी का धन्यवाद. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. काइंडली लाइक एंड कमेंट फॉर माई वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब फॉर द लेटेस्ट वीडियोज़. थैंक यू.